Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today I'm going to show you a healthy and delicious breakfast recipe, Oats Upma. It's easy to make, packed with veggies, and if you're someone who is not a fan of sweet porridge but wants to include oats in your diet, this savory breakfast is perfect for you. So if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So on a medium heated pan, we'll add 1 tablespoon oil and let it heat. Now we'll add half teaspoon mustard seeds and let them crackle. We'll also add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 2 teaspoon chopped green chilli, a few curry leaves, half cup chopped onion, and we'll saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes till onion turns translucent. Now we'll add about 3 tablespoon peanuts and continue sauteing for 2 more minutes. If you want, you can replace peanuts with cashews. Now we'll add 1/4 cup chopped French beans, 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1/4 cup green peas, and we'll give it a quick mix. Now we'll add about half cup water. Cover the pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes till veggies turn slightly tender. The veggies are cooked. Now into this we'll add some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, and give it a good mix. Now we are going to add 3/4 cup rolled oats, around 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup water. Cover the pan and let the oats cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. The upma looks perfect. It's almost done. Now all you need to do is drizzle some lemon juice, garnish it with some coriander leaves and some freshly grated coconut. Give it a mix. And this wholesome and delicious oats upma is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like having oats, do try this veggie loaded savory oat recipe and let me know in the comment section below. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.